Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model a very simple perfume bottle in Blender. So let's start. So this was the render. This Hello friends, that's it. So this is our final render, done all done in Blender, all texturing, lighting, rendering, all done in Blender. And this is our final result. I have done some color correction. So that's it, friend. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video.